Hello everyone, this is Group A, and we have two tangible products and two intangible products: mattress,
material.
Cover treatment software.
Study shows 15 to 30% of adults encounter sleep disorder. This disorder is mainly caused by lower back pain. Chronic lower back pain was associated with many factors regarding sleep. These factors include increased time taken to sleep, reduced sleeping hours, increased disturbance during sleep, poor daytime function, and greater sleep dissatisfaction and distress. The potential market size for sleep disorder is very large. The need for comfortable mattress is ever needed, without the product being a mattress that can minimize the pain encountered during sleep. ResMed as a company invests in sound sleep for its customers. They are very likely to venture in reducing sleeping disorder for its current and future customers. It has been identified that there is no common agreement on optimal mattress design that caters for all the lower back pain problems. However, it has also been identified by our current research that medium firm mattress can be advantageous to subjects with non-specific lower back pain problems. This suggests that medium firm mattress can be incorporated into business plan for ResMed as it targets an issue that caters for an extremely large market. ResMed invests 7% of their revenue back into research, with over 8,000 collective patents in their products. This strong investment by ResMed suggests that medium firmness mattress could be sold by the business as it targets an issue that is currently potential for their current customers and for future customers that can be drawn into the business plan. ResMed has multiple research facilities and it could allocate this strong line of research to test the perfect mattress. The testing for perfect mattress could be seen by ResMed actually not producing the mattress, but rather working with other companies that produces mattresses, or even sells the mattresses as a secondary line, such as Koalas, which has been a well-known company to sell the products. Mattress companies such as Koala is well known by their advertisements in radios, TVs, and podcasts. If the collaboration with Koalas can reduce potential risk for market collapse, and we also can suggest that this partnership also means that the ResMed doesn't really need to invest in production facilities, but rather just buying the product, reselling it, and making a certain amount of money in the process as well. The customer demand for this product is very high, and we can definitely see it being incorporated. Furthermore, this mattress could be elevated by certain technologies that will be discussed in the following slide.
Hi. Actually, residents can see the chance to develop some new material. And the first one I can think is self-adaptive mattress. And self-adaptive mattress can shape most people's body shapes. And when people are sleeping, the pressure between the body and the mattress surface contact area actually is uneven, right? Because different people have different sleeping position. For example, some people may sleep on their side, but keeping this position for a long time may increase the body pressure, especially for the lower back, right? So ResMed can design new type of material, just focus on auto adjustment of the fabric density. And to give you an example of this material can achieve some part of this can turn to softer when the pressure of the surface of the mattress is high. Yeah. And secondly, ResMed can see the chance to develop a new material that allows the mattress to be self-heating. That sounds incredible, right? And according to some research, people tend to have a quality sleep when there is a warmer environment. And furthermore, ResMed can also focus on the partial heating function of this. Because according to some research, people tend to have a good sleep when they wear a sock. You have to just keep the foot warm. So ResMed can do that to make the mattress self-heating and focus on the foot heating actually to allow users or consumers to have a more restful sleep.
Now I will introduce a user-friendly new software platform for elderly patients and some for the potential COVID-19 patient. The market is real because a lot of people with inadequate health or older age might find it hard to operate complicated or difficult systems and software. The size of the potential market will be huge because a lot of people are in need of simplified software platform, especially those people are elders. The elders will more likely have sleeping disorders and some other disorders that might make them harder to get to use the traditional software platform. Most importantly, customers will be able to afford the new software platform easily because it will wire link to the matrix and present device, so it will incur little to no change on the expense to customers. A more user-friendly software platform for elders will make ResMed devices more competitive because it might provide a better user experience to solve some user using barriers for elders. The advantage will be sustained because the elderly users will be more and more reliant on simplified using experiences. In addition, this software is not only friendly to elderly users, but it can provide remote assistance to some users who suffer from long COVID syndrome, especially respiratory trauma and other sequelae after the current COVID-19 epidemic. Competitors might come up with similar products, of course, but I believe ResMed will accumulate enough first mover advantage to succeed in the competition, because even the current tablet device made by larger companies still have some unreserved using barriers for elder. The company has 30 years of respiratory medicine technology, with a with with a high position in the field of respiratory medicine and top management team. Meanwhile, ResMed has obtained substantial patents in many technology. The company has a large number of patented inventions, and its sustainable competitive advantage in different regions have become barriers to imitation.
However, enterprises can not only rely on internal resources to carry out high-cost innovation activities. In this context, open innovation is gradually becoming the dominant mode of enterprise innovation. In general, R&D personnel focus on leadership, and marketing personnel focus on effectively meeting customers' needs. Therefore, only by pooling the wisdom of 7,500 employees can open innovation be facilitated. The new software platform will most likely become successful with limited risks. Since the COVID-19 has spread widely and had a long impact, and there are a large number of potential users who need remote assistance, ResMed can take this opportunity to quickly promote software applications. Besides, the software itself is not expensive to redesign and it can be updated to all available devices. After developing the market scale under the COVID, the software system can be rapidly transformed to serve the elderly only just after the end of epidemic in the future. Launching the product will make strategy sense because it is in line with the goal of ResMed, that is to change the life of 250 million people by 2025. So the chance of getting a larger market share in sleeping medical device deserves a high priority and attention from the senior management team. In addition, the innovation for the treatment of COVID can improve the company's reputation and popularity, expand the potential market, and strengthen the company's brand effect. This will lay a solid foundation for ResMed to develop software systems.